What's going on, guys? Crypto, I'm here today with another cryptocurrency video. If you enjoyed the video today, remember to leave a like and subscribe for more daily videos on the crypto world. Let's get into it. So today, guys, we're going to be starting off this week with a overview of the market as well as talking about a couple cryptocurrencies. Now, overall, as you can see, today is quite a green day. Bitcoin actually is at above 8,300, and Ethereum working up to 400 almost. Bitcoin Cash doing pretty well. Litecoin has been steadily climbing lately, and everything's just looking really good. Neo has been teetering around $40 for the most part, and yeah, so Lisk also at a great price right now. 981. If you guys were Lisk holders, you probably had a great gain recently. Just scrolling down, Cardano, great gain as well. Let's see, BitShares actually huge gain, 24%. That's surprising. After it was taken off of Bittrex, if you guys didn't know about that. Yeah, so overall, it's a pretty green day. 10x looks like it's making a comeback. Power Ledger, if you guys didn't get on this, I did a video on it yesterday. You want to go check that out. I go over exactly what Power Ledger is all about, and it's actually one of my top long-term holds for cryptocurrency, so I definitely recommend go checking that out. It was the last video posted on my channel. So yeah, if you guys want to learn about Power Ledger, definitely go check that out. But it almost had a 100% gain yesterday. I was involved in that. I got it in around 26 cents, and it climbed up to around 70 cents, I think. Yeah, around 70 cents. So yeah, so Power Ledger, we will be talking about that. I think we're going to make another video on that pretty soon, actually. But yeah, so today I actually wanted to discuss Bitcoins. If you guys don't know about Bitcoins, a large YouTuber named Supoman, he actually made a course talking about Bitcoins, how it was, one of the top cryptocurrencies and great long-term hold, everything like that. And they actually rebranded today. He mentioned yesterday that there was going to be an announcement very soon, and the announcement actually came today. It's a rebrand of Ethos. So it went from Bitcoins to Ethos, and the main point to that is because people didn't really understand what Bitcoins really was, but Ethos sounds cooler to me, at least. But the logo looks really well done. The old logo was alright, but it was kind of dull. So this new rebranding definitely doing a lot for Bitcoins, now known as Ethos. And yeah, so it's been around going from 120 down to around 50 cents for a while now, about 2 months, but 2-3 months. But with this rebranding, we are actually seeing a nice climb. So who knows how large this climb is? We'll get into that a little later in the video. But yeah, so let's just go check out Ethos. And if you guys don't know much about it, then stay till the end of this video to find out. So right now in the cryptocurrency world, the problem is that there's all these different wallets and things where you can hold different cryptocurrencies, but there's really not any one wallet to hold all cryptocurrencies. And Coinbase, as you guys know, is the big place that people have an app on their phone. They can go buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin instantly. But Ethos is really changing this. So basically what Ethos is aiming to do is have a universal wallet as well as a social platform or social network surrounded around cryptocurrency. So you can have multiple wallets right on the app. It's all safe and secure, as well as there's actually basically people can influence other people, give other people advice on the platform and tell, inform people, is this coin a good buy? Is this coin a good buy? Things like that. So it's basically, a social platform around cryptocurrency, as well as the first, huge universal wallet. So right here it says, finally a secure multi-token wallet made simple. The Ethos Universal Wallet makes it easy and safe to store and transfer value of any form, anywhere, anytime, any place, instantly, for free. So if you guys want to read over the rest of this, yeah, that's great. Another great feature they have is one-click diversification. So basically they'll have different types of portfolios, say currency-based cryptocurrencies, privacy-based cryptocurrencies, different portfolios that if you believe in the sector of cryptocurrency, you can, buy some of this, basically, a little portfolio and put money into a portfolio that they already have made. And we really haven't seen that. So you can just diversify again with one click, just buy into a portfolio. So I really like that idea that they have. So basically, they're solving a huge problem. They're checking off every box, whereas other applications that you can use to store your cryptocurrency really don't check off that many boxes. So the big part about this is that there's altcoins, ERC20 tokens, the social platform, that's huge, Bitcoin, all these types of cryptocurrencies that are just, you can come to this one platform. So in reality, I could see this taking over Coinbase unless they do something about it, but I don't think that will happen for a while. But for all these wallets that they show right here, Case, UberPay, Mist, Exodus, Trezor, Coinbase, Ledger, Nano S, and Mycelium, I really don't see any reason for those to stick around with Ethos. Once the platform really comes out, really picks up, and people are really using it, I really don't see that any reason for the other wallets. I mean, Ethos is solving a huge problem and eliminating the errors and the issues that other wallets bring people. So that's really what Ethos is solving. It's a huge problem, and again, guys, you can really just see this is a really professional team, professional coin, and a really great project. So if you want to get involved in Ethos, I definitely recommend it. I have a link in the description to go onto CoinExchange. That is the best exchange to buy Ethos on. So if you guys want to click my link in the description, go over there to CoinExchange, get registered, and you guys can pick up some Ethos. So another great thing I like about this, because I really haven't learned or heard a bunch about taxes with Bitcoin and things. So tax-friendly reports, that's great. And this is really the social part: dynamic predictions, ratings, and reviews, as well as these instant coin baskets. So this is what I was talking about with the portfolios that they'll have set up, and just a really great project. I really believe in this. A huge YouTuber, Supoman, he promotes this a ton. So this is a really great project, guys. So that's the rebranding of Bitcoins, and it is now Ethos. So I would definitely recommend you guys get involved with Ethos. I really think this is going to be a huge cryptocurrency. If you guys want to check that out, again, just head over to CoinExchange. I'll have a link in the description, and you guys can go check that out. So that's going to be all for today, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, feel free to leave a like and comment on what you think. Subscribe for more daily videos on the crypto world, and come back tomorrow for another video. Have a good one, guys.